professional manufacturer of metal building products, we operate with precision and excellence across multiple facilities. Our facilities are the backbone of our operations, ensuring quality and efficiency at every step. At QE, our production philosophy is simple. Create an environment that mirrors the expectations of our customers. Efficient, clean, and well organized. We focus on 4 key areas: continuous improvement, preventative maintenance, dedicated machines, and cleanliness. We never settle. From daily huddles to star cards, we challenge ourselves to improve on every process. We proactively maintain our machines to prevent breakdowns before they occur. By dedicating machines to specific profiles, we maximize efficiency and product consistency. A clean facility isn't just about aesthetics. It's about performance, organization, and respect for the next shift. These practices give our customers a trusted partner, ensuring quality production every time.